Hi everybody, my name is Manny and welcome to another video. Um, Today we are going to laser engrave a bamboo phone stand. Now, the thing about phone stands is that they have become very popular due to the rise of remote workers or people that work from the house. And so a desk could look like this or like this because remote workers want their screens in front of them at all times for better communications. So this is a bamboo phone stand, and just the nature of the item, they have become very, very popular. Even if you have a business, you can potentially sell them very fast, depending on your sales strategy. But you can also give them away for gifts or for charity or whatever purpose you have. But this specific phone stand here, it's very interesting because you can put your phone on here and it has a hole for the charging cable, which is very convenient. And it's very durable. Bamboo, it's probably one of the best woods out there for laser engraving. It's very durable, very thick. The fibers are very tight. So this phone stand here will last a very long time. Now, the other thing about this project is that it can become very popular because you can customize this. You can engrave anything you want here, people's names, a pretty picture, just anything you want. So when it's customized, it becomes more significant to the customer. So there's a really good potential of generating good sales. So again, this wood is one of my favorite woods to work on. So let's get to work. I'll show you what we can accomplish with this. I have two of them here just for the purpose of the video. And so let me know what you think in the comments, like and subscribe to support the channel, and let's get to work. Okay, for this one, we are going to laser engrave something nautical. As you can see, we got this anchor with some trees, water, a ship, some mountains. It's pretty neat. So I'm really curious to see how the laser is going to engrave on a bamboo. This is 2.92 inches of width, and the height is 3.38 inches, so it fits perfectly on there. I always say double check your settings, and I am not set up right now, so I'm going to go ahead and set my speed at 11,100. My power, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do maybe 90 because I never go 100% on wood. However, this is really strong wood and this is a powerful laser. Okay, anything else? Pretty simple setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and start engraving. You know, this laser never disappoints. And if you look closer, most of the detail was engraved. Again, this wood is so solid and the fibers are so close together. It will never look exactly like the picture, but close to the picture, and this is really nice. I'm really happy with this. So now what we got to do is just clean it off for any dust or debris or soot. But this is what it would look like this when you're not displaying your phone. Nice neat decoration.
and this is what it looks like with a phone on it. But if you just wanted to display, there it is. So really nice, quick project. For the second one, we're going to do something different. For the second one, we are going to laser engrave a Viking tree of life, and that's what they call it in Norse mythology. This is a little bit more intense, and it should be a really dark design, as you can see in the screen. There's not a lot of shading and a lot of details. It's just straight, solid black or solid engraving. I did set my settings differently. My image, I'm sorry, my speed is 10,800. Still 90% power. I think I'm gonna go for 95. No, 92.50 is fine. And let's see how it comes out. It should be a really nice one. Okay, let's see how this came out. Very nice. Um, Pretty good burning, and the detail is nice too. I'm really surprised about the way it came out because this is very hard wood. It looks really nice. I think I'm gonna put this one on display in my office, or I'm gonna use it as well. Okay, this is the final product. I did put cutting board oil on them to bring out the colors, make them look more shiny. And this is the cutting board oil I use, or sometimes I also use some of this butcher block oil and finish. But you could use many things. It just depends on what you like. You can use some wax, but what can you do with these? You can sell them. You can make them for gifts, custom made, are more profitable for your business. You can do many things with these, promote these for companies, so for giveaways or employees of the month or something like that. But this is a very quick and easy project. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe to support the channel, and I will see you on the next one, and tell me what you think in the comments.